deserve some money. You don't know file. You just throw fire on your face. Huh? What? Ah! Ah! Boom! 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 Ah! Oh no! They took off with her, and the rest of the bombs are about to blow up. Oh, it's just me and you, Lana.
So, I hope you've enjoyed your day watching this. It's not over yet, but it really takes getting your hose tied. If you know what's mine. Oh, you probably won't. Oh, never mind. But it could happen any time. I literally don't know what I'm talking about. I'm literally just randomly talking about stuff, things, randomness. You know, just don't muck things. Okay, go with that. Back to the show, or movie, whatever you want to call it.
Alright. Well, we're safe, but I'm hungry. Let's get some snacks. Frozen foods. Delicious. Get your face out of there. You need to get your face out of there. We gotta get moving and call somebody. I hear somebody over here. There's somebody watching us. Be quiet and get up. You're stuck. Don't move anything. Oh no! We gotta get moving! Zoom!
Oh my gosh. See the truck.
Whoa! Where are they going? Don't do that. Don't. Well, that looks like it took care of it. Sure did. Oh no, he must have went back for Elsa. He could be back any minute. Did you hear that? I think he's coming back. Maybe not. Maybe that's it of him. Whoa. Who's that? That was a giant noise. Well, I think he's going back for somebody too. Wow. Let's try to get this car back into shape. Oh no, he's putting them up for battle.